Hi, I'm Ellie Shipman, an artist, illustrator and pattern designer. I'm a top teacher here on Skillshare and I'm really excited to show you my new class where I'm going to take you on a journey to draw, print and install your very own wallpaper. You'll join me on the beach where I'm going to be doing some drawing out and about, collecting natural objects and inspiration to build our patterns. We're going to be using some of these objects to create inky marks and textures, drawing on our iPads in Procreate as well, and then finally bringing everything together to build our repeat pattern in Illustrator. With our finished pattern, we're going to be using Contrado to print our wallpaper, and then finally I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to install it in your own home. I hope you come with me on this creative journey to draw, make and print our own wallpaper. See you in the class.